Hello, my name is Mike Searson. I'm with Live Your Life learning to make your life better. The Power Premium Platinum Perfect Method Workshop Opportunity. The last few posts have explored different places on the internet where you can find remote job opportunities. While you can find helpful places on the internet that cover the remote work industry, I have created a place on the internet that is much better than any other place that covers the remote work industry. I have created a place on the internet that will completely change your life. This place on the internet will describe the perfect remote opportunity that will work for anyone. I call this place on the internet the Prime Premium Platinum Perfect Method Workshop. I have been able to use my expertise in the remote work field, and I searched the far corners of this vast internet universe to condense the information into a powerful workshop that will work for you. This workshop is a life-changing, transformative experience that will completely change your life. You will gain the financial freedom you and your family deserve. Imagine the financial freedom future that you can have, including vacations, eat at fancy restaurants, go to fun entertainment places like shows, plays, and performances. In summary, see the world on your terms in the way you and your family deserve to see it. Testimonials. Please do not take my word for it. Let's listen to testimonials from people who took this vital workshop and see how their lives changed. Let's hear from Fake Fictitious Friends. Fake Fictitious Friend 1.
I struggled with money. I had difficulty paying the bills. Then I heard about the Power Premium Platinum Perfect Method Workshop. I decided to attend the workshop and my entire life changed. I now could lead a life that my family and I deserve. Now we do not worry about our financial futures. We take vacations when we want, eat at fancy restaurants where we want, and explore the world on our terms.
Fake Fictitious Friend 2.
I had difficulty with financial issues, but then I had a transformative experience going to the Power Premium Platinum Perfect Method Workshop. The workshop completely changed my life. I gained complete financial freedom. Now I live the life I decide to lead.
The power of your financial future is in your hands. Take the Power Premium Platinum Perfect Method Workshop, and you never have to worry about finance again. You can take advantage of this transformative opportunity by contributing a small fee to my bank account of a few $1,000s. You can also help me grow tremendously rich while you buy this worthless workshop. Make me rich, you fools. Evaluate scams. When you read about remote work opportunities, you need to evaluate them. A common saying goes something like this: if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Here's some resources to evaluate remote work opportunities. I will give the resource and some details about that resource, and the address will be in the description. The first resource is the Federal Trade Commission. It has a website called Job Scams. The second resource is Flexjobs at www.flexjobs.com. Flexjobs is a website that focuses on remote job opportunities. Flexjobs has articles about the remote career field, and in this section I will mention the title of the article. The author and the address to that article is in the description. The first article is 15 Common Job Search Scams and How to Protect Yourself. The second article is How to Avoid Work from Home Job Scams, 6 tips. The third article is Beware of this increasingly common job scam using Flexjobs name. The third resource, Google search or another search engine. You can use Google or another search engine to research an organization. You can search using the organization's name and words like scam or ratings. The fourth resource, Better Business Bureau. The Better Business Bureau will rate organizations. You can sometimes learn more about an organization by checking the Better Business Bureau ratings. The Better Business has an article about scams called The BBB study. Looking for a job. Be careful. Job scams increased during the pandemic. Then there's an address in the description. On the same webpage with the article, you can download a PDF called BBB Job Scams. The link is called Read the Full Study. Download the PDF. Again, that address is in the description. The Better Business Bureau has a scam center to look for known scams called BBB Scam Tracker. You can also go to the Better Business Bureau and search to see if that organization is in their database and find out the organization's rating at www.bbb.org. You can also do a keyword search. You can type in the name and location of the organization if you know. YouTube video. There is a YouTube video called How to Spot a Work From Home Scam. It comes from the YouTube channel Clark Howard Save Money, Spend Less. Again, that address is in the description as well. In conclusion, as you explore remote work opportunities, please evaluate each opportunity to see if that opportunity would work for you. The purpose of the content is to provide insight, research, and opinion, not to provide professional, legal, or tax advice. Please see an individual expert for individual guidance. Thanks for listening. Thank you.